Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping back again. And if you are new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick look for you guys with this palette that I purchased from Raine. It's called Wealthy Chic. So I just wanted to come on and do a quick look for you, just my eyes today. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. But before you leave, please don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you know when I have my next upload. And I'll see you at the end. Okay guys, so I just want to jump on here really quick and do an eyeshadow look for you guys with this palette that I purchased from Raine called Wealthy Chic. Wealthy Chic. Right, and I have these nice colors. I think I showed this to you guys in another video, but I haven't used it. Come with these beautiful shades. Let me bring it up close. So you know, we want to do a little something with it. So there's this dark green here, and then some lime colors. So we have about 4 shimmers, 4 mattes, and 2 shimmers. So I just want to come on here and do a look with you guys. My face is already done. I just came from work. And I said, let me do something with this palette, okay? Alrighty, so first thing that we're going to do is get the dark color, which is this one here. And I'm going to put that on my, I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Sorry if I look a little tired. Just came off my shift. Alrighty. What I'm gonna do first is gonna use my setting powder, and I'm just gonna put some underneath my eye to catch any fallout if there's any. As you know, we don't want it to be all over our face. All right, that's good enough. All right, so I'm gonna get this Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip into that first color and just dip it in. Of course, my eye is already primed. I have some concealer on it, so all right, I'm just gonna go here. Since the face is already done, we're just gonna do both eyes at the same time today. You know how I like these simple looks, right? But this color is so nice and pigmented. Do you guys see that? Whoa, so stunning. I hope you guys had a great day today, or whatever time that you'll see this video. You know, hope that you're having a good day or had a great day if it's in the nighttime. So pretty. Yeah, so far I'm loving Raine palettes. I bought a few the other day. I think this one was on sale for like $8. So look at that, and I kind of like drag it out like that, kind of like a wing. All right, let's do the other side. I'm taking it over just a little bit. Alrighty, so that it won't be so sharp looking. So I'm gonna get another brush, and that one I'm going to use to blend out the edge. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to get this color. I'm going to use a darker one. I'm going to blend out the edge of this one, just the top part right up here. I'm just putting it down before I start to blend it in. right like that. I know I have another look that I did with green, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful these colors were. So I'm just taking it a little bit here, not exactly touching the brow bone, but it's close. All right, I'm gonna go back with the first shade and I'm gonna take it a little bit over right here. All right, I'm gonna go back with the same brush, the second brush, not putting any additional product on it, and just blend out the edge right here. Now I'm gonna go in with this color and see how it looks. Alrighty, I think I need a brush that's kind of flat. Let me use this brush here. This is just a BH Cosmetics brush. So we're gonna go in again with this color. Let's see how that one looks next to it. All right, I'm gonna use a finger. Wow, you guys see that? Wow. See how pretty that is? Okay. She is beautiful. All right, let me get a flatter brush. I'm just going to try to take it a little bit above, you know, my crease. Kind of like a cut crease, but not really. That's pretty. Alrighty. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm doing something that you guys can duplicate, recreate without any trouble. This palette is... Sorry guys, my phone was ringing. So I had to go turn it off for a second so I can finish up my video. You know what I mean? Look at this color. It's kind of like reflective like. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. All right. What are we thinking? What are we thinking, guys? It's looking good, right? Good thing I did put some color or some powder underneath my eyes, or else. Alrighty, so. Want to make sure that it gets in the corner right here. Okay guys, so now we're going to go back with that first brush and we're going to make sure that we blend out the edge. Blend these two colors together. It's going to dust my brush off on a napkin. You know, because we don't want any line here. Alrighty, I'm gonna just with the brush go over the top part here a little bit. Okay, she's cute, right? I have so much stuff on my eye. All right, guys, what do you think? Do we like it? I think it's pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna take the same brush here. I'm not putting anything on it. It's the plain brush, just to blend out the edge a little bit of this one. Now, this lighter color here, this one, I'm going to take that and I'm going to damp my brush. I'm going to spray my brush. Right? And I'm going to go in with that one and put that one right here. Right here. I mean, it looks different in the palette. It looks like it would be a little bit more silvery looking, but it has some green in it. Matter of fact, that's gonna go in my inner corner. I'll make sure the brush is not too damped. Right here. The fallout is a lot, but hopefully when I dust it off with the brush, it will come off. Alrighty. I'm gonna get another brush, another flat brush, and I'm going to use that same dark color, the dark green, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. That's pretty. Hope I don't get any of these chunks in my eye. Okay. I'm only going to use one color under my eye. I'm not going to use another one. Okay. So that's how we're looking. So let's try to brush off this under eye and see. Okay. Trying to see if I have another brush here that I could use. Okay. And I'm going to take my sponge and just use the powder that's on here and just like sharpen up the edge right here. Just so she can look a little crispy, you know, a little crispy here. Something like that. What do you guys think of the eyes? Okay guys, so these are how my eyes are looking. I think they turned out very pretty. So now I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara, right? And that will help to take some of the fallout off my lash. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna pop some lashes on, just, you know, tidy the look up, and then I'll come back. Okay guys? Okay guys, so I'm back. I just put on some wispy lashes really quick. So these are my eyes. I'm in really close. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? I think it's pretty. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. This palette is so nice. The colors are pigmented, so if you're looking for, you know, a palette to play with for the springtime or summer, You should check this one out. They have a sale going on. I believe I only paid $8 for this one. So, you know, you can do a couple looks with this. So that was just look number 1 that I have. So I'm going to use it again. So again, I hope you enjoy. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think of this look. And remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you know when I have my next upload. I hope that you enjoy watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.